welcome back to the channel. Today we're going inside a massive chicken foot snack factory to see how raw chicken feet are transformed into crispy, seasoned snacks.
Millions of chicken feet pass through facilities like this every year. Few consumers ever see the complex journey that transforms them into seasoned snack products. The process begins with carefully controlled deliveries. Freshness and traceability are established before production can start. At this stage, the product is still completely raw. Strict temperature management helps preserve quality before manufacturing begins. Every batch is identified and recorded. Accurate tracking remains important throughout the entire production cycle. Before production begins, samples undergo detailed inspection. Size, condition, and consistency are verified against factory standards. Once approved, raw materials enter the production line. The transformation process is only beginning. Multiple departments work together to maintain a continuous flow. Timing and coordination are essential at every stage. The equipment ahead is designed for high-volume processing. Each machine performs a specific role in preparing the final snack product. Advanced monitoring systems help maintain consistency. Even before cleaning begins, the product is already being evaluated. Soon, the raw material will undergo its first major transformation. Cleaning and preparation are necessary before further processing can occur.
Tantris. The next stage focuses on cleaning and preparation. But before these chicken feet can become crispy seasoned snacks,
The first production stage focuses on thorough cleaning. Surface impurities must be removed before any further processing can be initiated.
After washing, excess water is removed. This prepares the product for more detailed preparation steps ahead.
Sorting helps maintain consistency throughout production. Only suitable pieces continue through the process. Uniform sizing improves processing performance. Consistent dimensions help ensure even treatment in later stages. With sorting complete, the product advances to thermal preparation. The next stage begins changing the raw material itself.
Blanching helps prepare the product for later manufacturing steps. Temperature control is carefully maintained throughout the process.
This controlled heat treatment supports consistency and hygiene. Every batch follows the same carefully regulated conditions.
Additional preparation improves uniformity. Small adjustments help create a consistent product for later processing.
A final rinse removes any remaining residue from earlier operations. Cleanliness remains a priority throughout production.
See this anomaly here. It registered as a pass, but the wireframe shows a slight deviation.
Yes, I see that. Let's rerun the batch and monitor this specific unit.
Initial preparation is now complete. The next chapter enters the heart of production, where raw chicken foot begin their transformation into crispy, seasoned snacks.
Preparation is complete. The product now enters the core manufacturing stage, where texture and structure begin to change.
Controlled cooking softens the product under carefully regulated conditions. Every batch follows the same programmed cycle. Heat penetrates deep into the material during this stage. Precise control helps maintain consistency across large production volumes.
The core temperature is dropping too slowly.
Adjust the airflow on Zone 2.
While cooling takes place, seasoning mixtures are prepared separately. Consistent formulations help create a uniform final product. Seasoning is applied evenly across the entire batch. Rotation allows every piece to receive consistent coverage. The internal temperature is holding steady at 3 degrees. Good. Cross-reference the humidity levels on line 4.
Moisture levels must now be reduced. Controlled drying prepares the product for its final texture transformation. Drying is carefully balanced to achieve uniform results. Too much or too little moisture can affect product quality.
This stage creates the characteristic texture consumers expect. Controlled roasting develops crispness while preserving consistency.
The transformation is now clearly visible. What began as raw material is becoming a finished snack product.
The moisture content is slightly elevated on line 3.
Adjusting the drying time now.
The main transformation is complete. Attention now shifts to refinement, where consistency is carefully controlled before packaging. Automated inspection systems evaluate every piece. Small variations can be detected and corrected before packaging begins. Manual inspections complement automated systems. Together, they help maintain product consistency throughout production.
A final seasoning adjustment ensures flavor uniformity. Precise dosing prevents over-application and waste.
The product is gently mixed to distribute flavor evenly. Uniform coverage improves consistency from package to package. Accurate film alignment helps prevent packaging defects. Precision begins long before the product enters the package. Before packaging, the product must reach stable conditions. This helps protect texture and packaging integrity. Every package requires an accurate product weight. Automated systems achieve consistency at high production speeds.
Packaging equipment is now fully prepared. The product is only moments away from entering its final retail format.
The product has reached its final manufacturing stage. Packaging now protects the quality achieved throughout production. Each package receives a carefully measured amount of product. Accuracy helps maintain consistency across every batch. A secure seal helps preserve freshness and texture. Even small variations are continuously monitored.
Every package must maintain its protective barrier. Leak testing helps identify defects before products leave the factory.
Routine sampling provides an additional layer of verification. Manual inspections support automated quality systems. Advanced imaging systems examine each package individually. Consistency is verified at production speed. Final weight verification confirms packaging accuracy. Every package must meet strict specifications.
Individual packages are now grouped for transport. Automation helps maintain efficiency and consistency.
Large volumes of finished product are prepared for storage. Organized handling reduces the risk of damage.
Final documentation confirms product traceability. Every shipment remains linked to its production history. Production and inspection are now complete. The final chapter follows these finished snacks as they prepare to leave the factory and enter the market. After passing every inspection, the finished products enter controlled storage. Here they await distribution to retailers and consumers.
What began as a raw poultry byproduct has become a packaged snack product. The transformation is now complete.
Protective wrapping helps stabilize products during transportation. This reduces the risk of damage during handling and delivery. The products now move toward the final stage of their journey. Distribution begins long before they reach store shelves. Loading operations are carefully coordinated. Efficient handling helps maintain product quality throughout transport.
Trailer 5 is sealed and ready for dispatch. Verified. The route optimization report is uploaded to the driver's tablet.
Distribution centers act as critical links between manufacturers and retailers. Products are sorted and routed for delivery across multiple markets.
Every stage of production contributed to the final result. Packaging protects the quality developed throughout the manufacturing process.
From receiving and cleaning to seasoning, packaging, and distribution, each stage plays an essential role in creating a consistent product.
The journey from raw chicken feet to crispy seasoned snacks is complete. Behind